It's kind of hard for me to talk about. There's an issue very close to my heart. It's an affliction. I've suffered from it all my life. And I wrote a song about it to raise awareness. And pretty soon I'll put a link to the charity that deals with this. I'm sorry, I'm kind of choked up. It's hard for me to talk about this. So I'm just going to go ahead and sing the song, because I feel that this song says a lot more about it than I could in just plain words. So here goes. All through my life I've had to walk this road alone. I got a bud dick. Each and every day I've had to learn to be ashamed. I got a bud dick. Ladies walk away, they will not give the time of day to my bud dick. Well, I don't believe in God because I didn't get it right. I got this bud dick. 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 I got a bud dick. Can't be a man because I can't feel out my hand. I got this bud dick. Don't try and tell me that you know about my woes. I got this bud dick. Do not speak to me because I do not want your pity for my bud dick. Well, I need a parakeet and a magnifying glass to find my bud dick. I got a 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 bud dick. Mom and Daddy tell me that I shouldn't be ashamed about my bud dick. But if I ever meet the Lord, I got a few choice words about my bud dick. Well, cops in every town where they always get the hassle about my bud dick. Might as well just sit there ain't nothing I can do about my bud dick. I got this 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 bud dick. the opportunity, give generously because it's a real thing. It's not funny. I don't joke about it.